What's up, Lincoln Charter School, fourth grade? It's Mr. Way. It's Monday. We are back with Mr. Way's Math Facts. Today, we're going to be starting division word problems, kind of one step, simple division word problems, just to kind of get your feet wet. And then we'll gradually go into multiple step word problems by the end of the week. And, as normal, if you have any questions or anything like that, you can leave it in the comments or you can email me directly in your Google Classroom. Hopefully, everybody's staying corona free, staying safe, staying in the house, and make sure you're logging into your Google Classroom every day, doing your attendance and doing your assignments. Um, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump into our first word problem. I'm going to read it to you, talk you through it, then I'll show you how I figured it out, and then we'll go through one or two of those, and then I'll give you one that I want you to answer for tomorrow. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into our first word problem. The first one is there are 3 students in the class and 27 apples. If the apples are divided equally among the students, how many does each student get? Again, let me read that to you. It says, there are 3 students in the class and 27 apples. If the apples are divided equally among the students, how many does each student get? So we know we have 3 students, we have 27 apples. We have to figure out if it's divided evenly, how many does each student get? With that, I started here, as you see, with things that we already know. We know we have 3 students, and we know we have 27 apples. So to try to divide them evenly, I drew 3 circles, and I put a dot in each one until I got to 27 and ran out of dots, and it came out to between the 3 students, they would get 9 apples each. If you count the dots in the circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 students divided those 27 apples. They got 9 each. Or if you just went ahead and you didn't need the picture graph to kind of help you figure it out, you took 3 divided by 27 or 27 divided by 3, and you said 9 because 9 times 3 equals 27. You put your 27 down, subtract, and you get 0, which means it went in 9 times evenly. So 3 students, they got 9 apples each. Pretty simple, right? Right. Like I said, I'm gonna keep this up here, and as I'm reading it, you can go ahead and kind of look to see how I figured it out. It says there are 3 students in the class and 27 apples. If the apples are divided equally among the students, how many does each student get? And we figured it out. Between the 3 students, we said they get 9 apples apiece. So if you worked ahead and you figured out 9, good for you. You are correct because 3 times 9 equals 27, or 27 divided by 3 equals 9. So either way you use to figure it out, that's correct. You could have multiplied to figure it out doing your 3 times tables. You could have divided 3 into 27, or you could have drew a picture graph like I did and circles and put dots in it and figured it out that way. But any of the above, any of those ways of figuring it out would be correct. So we're going to move on to number 2. Number 2 is Stephanie is inviting 3 friends to a party. She has 6 cookies. How many cookies will each friend get? Let me read it again. Stephanie is inviting 3 friends to her party. She has 6 cookies. How many cookies will each friend get? This one should be pretty simple. I'll give you a minute, let you work it out on your own. Then again, I'm going to walk you through it, and I'll show you how I figured it out, which is kind of similar to the way I did the first problem. I drew my picture graph. I knew I had 3 friends. I got 6 cookies. I used my dots, and I came out with a certain number of cookies for each friend. So I'm giving you time And now I'm gonna go into my answer here. We know we got 3 friends and we got 6 cookies. So I drew my 3 friends, 1, 2, 3, and I put dots, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and that's all I had for cookies. I only had 6. So between my 3 friends, each friend will get 2 cookies. This one was pretty simple. 3 friends, 6 cookies. Each friend got 2 cookies. Or you could have just went ahead and 6 divided by 3 is 2, because 2 times 3 equals 6. We put our 6 down and we subtracted. 6 minus 6 equals 0, so it goes in evenly. Again, each friend had 2 cookies. These first couple, I said they were going to be easy. They're pretty simple. Pretty simple. Now this one, I want you to figure it out and put your answer in the comment section on this video. You may have to listen to it a couple times to make sure you got the numbers right and make sure you're paying really close attention. And then we'll answer this one together tomorrow. But this is your question for tomorrow. There are 5 students in the class and 10 oranges. If the oranges are divided equally among the students, how many does each student get? Listen to the question again. There are 5 students in the class and 10 oranges. If the oranges are divided equally among the students, how many does each student get? Now, you can figure that one out on your own. You can tell me how you solved it or just put your answer in the comments. I'll be looking for it. This is Mr. Way with Monday's Math Facts, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Stay in the house, stay safe, stay corona free. Mr. Way, I love y'all, and I will see y'all tomorrow.